Hello, welcome back to the channel, and in this series we are talking about electronics. So far we have discussed about sensors and microcontrollers, which you may find here, and in today's video we are going to talk about actuators. Actuators are very similar to sensors, just like how sensors convert a physical world entity into an electronically understandable signal so that our electronics can process that. Actuators convert these electronic signals into a physical world entity so that we humans can understand that. Just like how sensors are eyes and ears to our electronics, actuators are the muscles. They go and execute the task. So let's understand this with a household example. An air conditioner. When we turn on the air conditioner, we send a signal that we need this temperature, and we humans have this desire to be understood. Now in that response, air conditioner will give out something. It could be an LED blinking, it could be a buzzer, it could be a number shown, it could be a display, anything. So in our case, the air conditioner shows the exact temperature that we are setting. So here the input was the temperature set by us, and the output was it being displayed on air conditioner. Now this was just one small segment of air conditioner. Further upon, when we set up a temperature, air conditioner actually have sensors that detects the current room temperature. Now the microcontrollers will take up a decision if the current room temperature is lower or above the set value. So in response to that, microcontroller will turn on or off the compressor. Compressor is acting as the actuator, which is actually increasing or decreasing the room temperature. So now you know the entire system. How sensors gather information, microcontrollers process it, and an actuator takes action upon that. So as we wrap up this video, understand that actuators are actually the output devices. Actuators are actually action takers of any electronic system. It could be light, it could be sound, or any other physical activity that is performed by an electronic device. The performer here is an actuator. So now when you know all about sensors, microcontrollers and actuators, I want you to go and make something of your own. Happy tinkering. Bye.